up, everybody? Today I'm going to be reviewing this nail drill that I received. The link is provided below. It's from Amazon and I'm so excited to try it. Okay, so first we're going to see here, it comes with instructions and like a manual. Next is the power cord that you can easily plug into any USB, and it looks pretty long, so I'm excited about that. Next is this nail clipper, really nice, really sturdy, with a silicone grip for non-slip, which is nice. It comes with a lot of extra sanding bands. It comes with 6 nail bits and a few extra sanding bands up here on the top, which is nice. A mini nail brush, and this is the nail drill, one of my favorite colors, rose gold. And this is where we turn it on and off. If you can see here, the rotation control is reverse. Off is in the middle, and then forward, and then the speed control, you can roll back and forth. This is where you plug it in, so I'm plugging it in really quickly, and then I'm going to actually remove some gel nail polish that I have on my nails right now. I'm going to go ahead and use the biggest bit, which is the mandrel, and then put a sanding band over it. I'm pretty much a beginner with this nail drill, so I'm hoping that it will turn out well. Okay, I'm going to start with putting my pinky as an anchor so that it doesn't rotate around my whole finger. Just want to do this motion back and forth. I've been wearing this gel nail polish for about 2 weeks now, so I'm going to go ahead and try to remove the top layer, which is the top coat and a few coats of the actual gel nail polish. I just want it to be easier for me to remove it when I soak the nail. I don't have to soak it for as long. So essentially this is just saving me some extra time so I don't have to wait as long. Okay, so now that I have a few of those top layers off, I'm going to go ahead and soak it. I honestly only soaked it for about 5 minutes because I didn't have any patience. But I'm also going to go ahead and use the large barrel to go over my natural nail to make sure there's nothing left behind. I'm just going to turn it on here and put it on the lowest speed. I will run it over my nail really quickly to make sure I don't leave any gel behind. And this is the needle head. This is the bullet and the cone. I'm going to use the cone and just run it over my cuticles really quickly. And this doesn't hurt or burn at all. This is a close-up of my nail after I applied the 3 coats of dip powder. As you can see, it's pretty bumpy. So I am going to use the barrel to go ahead and smooth this out. I'm going to try my best to smooth it as much as possible, starting at the cuticle and then working my way down the middle and then down to the tip of the nail. And the next nail, it looks pretty rough, so we're gonna try to smooth that out as well. Make sure you use your pinky as an anchor so that it doesn't spin around like this, and go ahead and smooth that out. Okay, next nail also looks pretty rough. I try not to get any of the dip on my cuticles, but we're not perfect, so I'm going to try to remove that as much as I can. I'm going to go over it with the barrel. You could also use the needle or the cone to remove any product from underneath the nail. This is the completed look. As you can see, the nail is super smooth, and the nail drill did make a big difference. In the past, my nails were looking pretty rough, so if you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up. That helps share the video all around YouTube land. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And again, if you would like to purchase the nail drill, you can find the link below in the description box. It's from Amazon and it's pretty affordable and perfect for beginners. Once again, thank you so much for watching. If you have a Pinterest, follow me on Pinterest too. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much. Bye.